Hey everyone, Mike again, and today I'm reviewing Vizcaya, an American villa and its makers. I live in Miami, Florida, so I've been to Vizcaya many times. And when I went to their bookstore, they have like a cafe. They had this book there, so I was very interested and I picked it up. Um, it's really, really nice because I love Vizcaya, I love going there, so I was very interested in checking out this book. So it's pretty dense. As you can see, it's let me show it to you like this. So it is a pretty big book. It's like a coffee table type of book. Here's the back, so you can see the back. Has super nice pictures of the gentleman that made Vizcaya. That is well that he had a design. He didn't create it himself, but and it goes over like how it was built, the old pictures, what materials they used. They imported a lot of things from Europe, all the engineers and architects and all of that. So it's literally like the entire history, and you can see here the chronology of when James Deering was the one that lived here. Now he built it and all of that. So I'll just flip through so you can see some of the pictures. Let me zoom out a little bit. So I'm gonna go through it a little bit quickly so you can see. I mean, like I said, it's if you really want to check out this guy and learn everything about it, this is the book that you want to get because it literally has everything. So, and if you've never been to Vizcaya, I highly recommend it. Beautiful place. It's very, very nice. So yeah, let me go to the back a little bit so you can see a little bit more. So yeah, the artwork is beautiful. I love the original designs, how they did it. Such a beautiful garden. Yeah, I've been. Those stairs are great. Yeah, so the statues in the garden are beautiful. So yeah, so hope this was helpful and hope you check out the book.